Stop paying for expensive AI credits. If you're tired of running out of generations on tools like HeyGen, this video is for you. I tested 5 completely free AI lip sync tools to see which ones actually look realistic and which ones are a total waste of time. And make sure you stick around until the very end because I'm going to show you a simple unlimited trick to bypass the credit limits on almost all of these platforms, plus how to remove watermarks from any of your AI videos for free. Before we proceed, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more of these hacks. Let's get right into it with the first tool on our list, which is completely free and open source. Welcome! The first lip sync tool on our list is Wave to Lip. As you can see here, it is described as a lip sync tool for realistic talking videos. And yes, it is entirely free. The first thing I'm going to do is sign up for an account. I'll click on Get Started right here and log in with my Google account. Once logged in, you will see 2 methods to lip sync your videos: video lip sync and image lip sync. With video lip sync, all you have to do is upload your video or enter a video URL. However, for this tutorial, I am going to use an image, so I will switch to the Image Lip Sync tab and upload my AI avatar right here. Now that my AI avatar is uploaded, I need to upload a voiceover for it to sync with. Just so you know, when using the free plan, you can only lip sync up to 10 seconds. I have trimmed my voice clip down to 10 seconds, and I'm uploading it now. Next, I simply click on Generate. The AI video will start processing. Let's give it a moment to see the result. All right, the lip sync is done. Let's download it and check it out.
We're testing Wave to Lip against HeyGen today. Pay close attention to the P and B sounds in this sentence.
That actually looks really nice. Compared to HeyGen, which we will talk about later, this result is quite impressive. Our next AI tool is DupDub. As you can see, DupDub is an all-in-one content creation platform, and you are going to love this one. First, let me go ahead and click on Sign Up for Free. And of course, I will log in with my Gmail account. I'll click through the onboarding steps. If you check the dashboard, you'll see features like AI voiceover, instant cloning, AI writing, and translation. However, we definitely want to click on the AI avatar feature right here. I need to upload my AI avatar. You can actually enhance the image, change the background, or even add subtitles. Looking at the right-hand corner, you can type your script, or you can upload a voiceover up to 3 minutes long. You heard that right, up to 3 minutes. You can also record your voice directly. For this example, I am going to upload a voiceover. You can select motion or gesture avatars, but since I already have my own image, I don't need those. I'll click on Generate Talking Avatar. One thing I need to pinpoint, which I will elaborate on at the end of the video, is credit limits. Most of these tools have them. On this platform, I was given 10 credits, and this generation will cost almost 3. I will tell you a way around this before the video ends, so make sure to watch until the finish. All right, the lip sync is done. Let's check it out. I am speaking continuously for 10 seconds to check for audio drift. Does the mouth movement still match the voice perfectly by the time I reach the end of this sentence? Honestly, I'm a bit disappointed. It wasn't quite what I expected, but considering this is a free tool, we can't complain too much. Since we have more tools left on the list, let's move on to find the perfect lip sync tool for your next AI video. Our next tool is LipSync.video. I will simply sign in with my Google account. Great! Just like that, we have received 50 credits to use for generating videos. Here we have AI Lip Sync, where you upload a video, select a model, and input text or audio. However, for this tutorial, I am going to use the Talking Photo feature with my AI avatar. So I will upload my avatar here. If you check the model selection, you will see versions 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0. From versions 1.0 to 3.0, you can generate up to 90 seconds, which is really long. The recommended version, 4.0, allows up to 40 seconds. This is the longest duration allowed by any lip sync tool we have covered so far. You can type your text script, upload a voiceover, or record your own voice. I am going to upload my voiceover. It looks like my file is a bit longer than expected for the credits I have, so I'll select the 3.0 model to ensure I can generate it. I'll click on Generate. Now let's go to My Creations. Here it is. The lip sync is done. Let's check it out. I am speaking continuously for 10 seconds to check for audio drift. Does the mouth movement still match the voice perfectly by the time I reach the end of this sentence? That's pretty bad. Let's move on. The next tool on our list is Adobe Express. If you scroll down, you'll see Animate Characters. Click on that. As you can see, this tool offers two options, utilizing standard avatars or using the HeyGen integration. Let's look at the standard option first. You can scroll through the categories and select an avatar. I'll select the background. For audio, you can upload a file or record one. I'll upload one here. That is done. Let's go ahead and play it. Since I am being animated by Adobe Express, I don't need to look realistic. I just need to match the energy and timing of this voiceover. How does the cartoon look? Now, the other method is creating through the HeyGen avatar add-on within Adobe Express. Click on Open in Adobe Express. I had created one earlier, but I'll click on Make another video. Here you can select your avatar, you can upload your own or choose one available. I'll select this avatar here. You can also set your background color to whatever you prefer. Just like before, you can upload audio from your device or type a script. I'll type a script and browse the available voiceovers. I'll choose this male voice. Once selected, I simply click on Generate AI Video. That is also done. Let's check it out.
This is how to lip sync in Adobe Express.
The last but not the least free AI lip sync tool on our list is HeyGen. Just like the previous models, simply sign up or log in with your Gmail account. What you have to do is click on Create and select the Photo to Video icon. I'm going to upload my avatar now. Once uploaded, you can type a script or upload a voiceover. I'm getting an error with the upload right now, so let me just type a script. This is how to lip sync with HeyGen AI. I'll select a voiceover here. You can also toggle on expression for more realistic motion. That is what I use. Now click on Generate. If you notice, the video we created inside Adobe Express is also visible here because it's synced with our HeyGen account. The new video is done. Let's check it out.
This is how to lip sync with HeyGen AI.
Exactly. If you look down here, you will see it has a watermark. If you want to know how to get rid of that watermark, I have a video on this channel specifically about removing watermarks, so do check it out. Finally, most of these AI tools I showed you have usage limits. For instance, with HeyGen, you can create up to 3 videos in a month. So here is the trick. When you hit your limit on any of these tools, with the exception of Adobe Express, simply sign in with a different Google account. This allows you to continue generating AI avatars for free and unlimited. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.